Hello viewers, welcome to Math Simplified. ମୁଁ ବିକେ ଜେନା ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ Math Simplified କୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି. Now let us enjoy mathematics here and tell together Math is simple. चलो, in this class we shall discuss about the relation congruence modulo and some examples on relation. आज relation congruence modulo ଆଉ relations ଉପରେ various types of relations reflexive symmetric transitive या ଉପରେ କିଛି example पढ़िबा. Okay, so we will begin with the relation congruence module. First of all we shall understand हमको बुझिबार अछि ये relation congruence module कोन, what is that. चलो, let m is a fixed integer. Okay, m is a fixed number on set of integers. Okay, so m को गोटे number को आमे integer को fix कर दबा. That means we cannot change that. चलो, let m belongs to z and m is fixed. Okay, and any two integers a and b are related by the relation congruence modulo m if their difference is divisible by m. माने आमे कहिबा a is congruent to b mod m एमती लेखा जाए a congruent to b mod m. Okay, पढ़िबा एमतिया we read m a is congruent to b mod m. Okay, केतोले a is congruent to b mod m हबो when implies and implied by मतलब when a minus b is divisible by m. माने a minus b टा m रो पणिकिया टेबल रे थिबो. Okay, means if I multiply m रे किछि multiply करिवि a minus b मिली. Okay, that is a minus b is some integer k multiplied with m. That is where k is an integer. Okay, जदि a minus b टा m रे छिड़ी गला बा a minus b को m रे डिवाइड करले जदि द रिमाइंडर माने भागशेष 0 आसिला ताहले हमें कहिबा a is congruent to b mod m. Understood? Now mane rakho, what is the meaning of a is congruent to b mod m? That is a minus b is a multiple of m. माने m table ले a minus b टा आसी और m multiplied by something is a minus b और a minus b is divisible by m. आउ एमती भी कहि परिबा m divides a minus b. ये सब विभिन्न लैंग्वेज अछि. चलो, now what is the meaning of a congruent to b mod m? That is a minus b is divisible by m. Telling in the different way ताको अलगा बाटर केमती कहबा m रो टेबल रे जदी a minus b थिबो आउ गोटे बाटर केमती कहबा m divides a minus b. m a minus b को divide करिवो. चला, now let us see the properties. First property, if a is congruent to b mod m, then anything added in both sides a plus x is congruent to b cos x, b plus x mod m. x बाबदरे कौन कहबा? It is any number. No restriction on x. चलो, let us prove this. First bit. हमु कौन दिया हिची? Given a congruent to b mod m. What we understand from this? एठु कौन बुझिबा? a minus b is some constant into m. Where k बाबदरे कौन कहबा? K is an integer. ना जदि आमे एबे प्रूव करवा कौन a माइनस एक्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू a प्लस एक्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू b प्लस एक्स मॉड m ताले तांकर डिफरेंस बाहर करवा नाउ a प्लस एक्स माइनस b प्लस एक्स ये किए a माइनस b किए k इंटू m के बाबद कौन कहबा k बिलोंग्स टू z therefore a plus x is congruent to b plus x mod m proved sorry चलो let us come to the second bit it is given as ये दिया है ये हमको दिया है a is congruent to b mod m अच्छा सेकंड बिट रे आउ गोटे जिंस दिया है चलो let given a is congruent to b mod m ये दिया गला what does it mean a minus b is some constant into m constant बाबद रे कौन कहबा k is an integer आउ कौन दिया है c is congruent to d mod m what does it mean c minus d is k into m k आउ नबानी l into m l बाबद रे कौन कहबा l is an integer this is first equation this is second equation ये दीटा हमको दिया है चलो एबे दीटा ऐड कर दबा ऐड कले कौन मिलला a plus c minus b plus d equal to m common k plus l k plus l कोट रहइबो k is integer l is integer तो k plus l कोट रहइबो c is an integer k plus l belongs to z therefore a plus c is congruent to b plus d mod gala another thing given to prove ac is congruent to bd mod m prove करवा चलो सेम ती प्रोसेस सही प्रोसेस रे जिबा एससी माइनस बीडी एटा किए या कुटी मैनिपुलेट करि दबा दे एपट सेपट कर दबा चलो एससी माइनस बीसी लिखि देबी प्लस बीसी माइनस बीडी किछि असुविधा अछि किछि असुविधा नै सी कॉमन ए माइनस बी लिखि देली बी कॉमन सी माइनस डी लिखि देली अरे 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 ए माइनस बी रो वैल्यू मो पाखरे अछि a minus b is k into m c k m b c minus d रो वैल्यू lm b lm m कॉमन नहीं गली c k plus bl into m अच्छा c k plus bl कोट रहइबो c k b l all are integers so c k plus bl must be an integer ताले ac minus bd is divisible by m टेबल रे रहि गला therefore we conclude AC is congruent to BD mod आउ गोटे जिनस मन रख पिले एटी A plus x B plus x है A plus x congruent to B plus x mod m A minus x also congruent to B minus x mod m that you must remember एटा भी जानबा दरकार A minus x congruent to B minus x mod m चलो next property okay prove that if CA congruent to CB mod m then A congruent to B mod m dash what about m dash m is m dash into GCD कौन करे GCD is HCF हैला गसागु of C and m चल when जेतोले हमें गोटे फ्रैक्शन को 16/24 लोएस्ट टर्म रे केमती लिखंती दीटा जाको हमें 8 रे काटिबा 283 2/3 8 कौन 8 is nothing but HCF of 16 and 24 हैला हमें HCF रे काटी लोएस्ट टर्म रे लिखंती चलो ठीक है now what is given CA is congruent to CB mod m ता माने कौन बुझिबा CA माइनस CB is some constant into M से constant केटा कोठ रहइबो that constant belongs to Z चलो now we are given M is equal to M dash into GCD of C and M or HCF of C and M. Let HCF of C and M. I write a letter for this. एते कथा के लिखबा आमे लिखि देबा H. So M equal to M dash into H. हला but HCF of C and M is H. Therefore M equal to H into something. Same थिया C will be something into H आमे लिखि देबा C dash into H let काहे कि HCF पर H HCF जदि H हला कहार C आउ M रो ताले C equal to something into HCF M equal to something into HCF से जो something टा M रे M dash already देई जे आमे C पई C dash लिखि देबा चल ताले what is M by C H कटि जीवो M dash by C dash जेमते हमें एठी करले लोएस्ट टर्म रे आसी गला जदि लोएस्ट टर्म रे आसी गला what will be HCF of M dash and C dash obviously it is 1 काहे कि ऑलरेडी इट इज इन लोएस्ट टर्म आउ काटि परिबन चल नाउ व्हाट अबाउट A minus अच्छा हमको ऑलरेडी देई छी CA minus CB is K into M आमे एठी from 1 आमे लिखि परिबा A minus B is KM by C M जगह M dash H लिखली C जगह C dash H लिखली H को काटली now it is KM dash by C dash किंतु आमको जो एटा देइची LHS equal to RHS एटा देइची बुझी परला A और B एटा C गोटे कॉमन अछि जदि कॉमन अछि ताहले C टा को एठी कॉमन अछि माने एठी भी कॉमन C टा थिबो लेफ्ट साइड रे कॉमन अछि ताहले एठी भी C टा कॉमन थिबो लेफ्ट साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट साइड बुझी परलो से कॉमन जो थिबो देखिबा एबे C dash टा M dash रे आउ कटिबो नाही LHS is an integer जदि C dash M dash रे कटिबोनी कोउतरे कटिबो K रे कटिबो तो obviously K now LHS it belongs to Z integer therefore RHS also belongs to Z therefore K is divisible by C dash काहे कि why because HCF of C dash and M dash is 1 C M dash रे कटिबो केटा C dash रे कटिबो अच्छा ठीक अछि जदि कटला राइट साइड इंटीजर ही जाईची नाउ A minus B is L into M dash आमे L equal to K by C dash लिखि दबा इट इज एन इंटीजर काहे कि C dash टा के रे कटिबो बुझि परला चलो therefore A is congruent to B mod M dash if I write जदि मु ए HCF GCD C and M जगह रे 1 लिखि देली एटा जदि 1 लिखिली ताले M जहा M dash सेया ताले A congruent to B mod M dash लिखिबा जहा A is congruent to B mod M लिखिबा सेया so putting HCF of GCD of C and M is 1 in first bit we will get the second bit very simple हला ए स्लॉट वीडियो टाको रिपीट करके बारंबार देखिबो देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड वेरी नाइसली सुंदर भाबरे बुझी चलो लेट अस टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल्स some examples on the relation on a set, types of relation उपरे आमे example नबा. Okay, चलो. First example is given. Let T is the set of all triangles in a plane. चलो. Define the relation wiggle. W-I-G-G-L. Wiggle पढ़ा. एटा को. The relation wiggle on T is defined as A is related to B. A is a triangle, B is a triangle. If IFF if माने कौन? If and only A is similar to B. Okay. Prove that this is an equivalence relation. So before starting your answer, first you write or understand how the relation is defined. आमको कौन कौन देइछि और केमिति डिफाइन है. Now the set of all triangles is T for A, B belongs to T. A is related to B when implies and implied by the IFF लिखा है. If and only if A is similar to B. A is similar to B. अच्छा. Now for reflexive. Can you tell every triangle is similar to itself? Yes or no? Obviously yes. As every triangle is similar to itself, we have for all A belongs to T, A is related to A. That means the relation is reflexive. Next about symmetric. Let A is related to B. What about A and B? A and B belongs to T. Okay. That implies A is similar to B. That implies B is similar to A. That means B is related to A. So we got B, A belongs to R or B is related to A. Therefore, the relation is symmetric. Next we shall discuss about transitive. Let us check whether the relation is transitive or not, because for an equivalence relation pai, the relation must be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So now we shall check for transitive. अच्छा, transitive pai कितना element दरकार? A, B and C. Understood? तीनटा दरकार. Now let us check transitive. Let for A, B, C belongs to T, A is related to B and B is related to C. What does it mean? A is similar to B and B is similar to C. अच्छा, मु कहीं एते कथा लिखुछि कि सिमिलर टू ये symbol why I am not giving, because this symbol is reserved for writing the relation. एठी relation पय सेटा लिखि देछि. तेणु आउ ए सिंबल को मु सिमिलर रे यूज करि परिबि ना चलो if A is similar to B and B is similar to C then obviously A is similar to C that implies A is related to C means the relation is transitive. Then what is our conclusion? Now we can take the conclusion. What is our conclusion? Therefore this relation wiggle is an equivalence relation. Understood? Chalo. Next example is example 3. Let L is the set of all lines on a plane. Define the relation R on L as L1 is related to L2 if L1 is perpendicular to L2. Let us check the equivalence. Chal. Now, first of all, we shall check its reflexive. Acha, what is given? Empty lekhanti answer to get the mark. Let the set of all lines in a plane is L and L1 and L2 belongs to L. We say for L1 L2 belongs to L, we say L1 is related to L2 when L1 is perpendicular to L2. Okay, for reflexive. Any line is perpendicular to itself. एमती हुए कि impossible. Now for all or you can tell L1 is not perpendicular to L1. Therefore L1 does not belong to R. Therefore R is not reflexive. Then आगु जीवा दरकार नहीं. Therefore R is not an equivalence relation. ये equivalence relation हेलानी आगु किछ करबा दरकार नहीं. Okay, now check reflexive, symmetry and transitive. The relation is equal to acha on R set of real numbers. Now let us name the relation is equal to acha चलो our name ठीक है. Now first given set is R set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. चलो now for reflexive. अच्छा, before reflexive we must write about the relation. Okay, now A is related to B by a relation. We will name a relation wiggle दे देबा हैला. If A is equal to B. चल reflexive. Now clearly for all A belongs to R, A is equal to A. Therefore A is related to A. What does it mean? The relation is wiggle is reflexive. Symmetric देखबा. Symmetric we shall check. Let A is related to B, where A and B belongs to R. that implies A is equal to B. That means B is equal to A. Therefore, B is related to A. That implies this relation is symmetric. Symmetric होइगला. Now, let us discuss about transitive. एबे transitive बाबदरे check करिबा. Okay? चलो, for transitive. Transitive. Let three numbers A, B, C, they are in set of real numbers. And A is related to B and B is related to C. What does it mean? A is equal to B and B is equal to C. What does it mean? A is equal to C. Therefore, A is related to C. That means the relation is transitive. So, what we conclude? We conclude the relation is an equivalence relation. Therefore, this relation is an equivalence relation. Very simple. Chalo, let us go to the next second bit. The relation is less than. Chalo. First, what is given? Given set is set of real numbers. Is R. Set of real numbers. Let us define the relation wiggle as A is related to B when implies and implied by A is less than B. Now, for reflexive, clearly A is not less than A for any A belongs to R. Therefore, A is not related to A. That implies this relation is not reflexive. Then about symmetric. Let A, B are two real numbers and A is related to B. What does it mean? A is less than B. What does it mean? Do you think B is less than A? No, B is greater than A. That means B is not related to A. That means the relation is not symmetric. ये relation symmetric है. चलो, let us see the transitive. एबे हमें देखिबा ये relation transitive कुन. Okay, transitive check करिबा. Now, for transitive, let three numbers, let A, B, C belongs to R and A is related to B, B is related to C. What does it mean? A is less than B and B is less than C. What does it mean? A is less than C. Yes. Therefore, the relation is transitive. So, the relation is less than is only transitive, neither reflexive nor symmetric. Let us come to the third bit of this example 4. Okay, the relation is a factor of, let us check, it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Chalo, given set is Z set of integers. And let us define the relation R on Z as A B belongs to R. Means A is related to B. एमती लिखते ना A R B कि B belongs to R implies and implied by A divides B. What is the meaning of A divides B? माने A का A B को divide करे. Meaning is B is divisible by A. या माने B is divisible by A. माने what is the meaning of this? A रो टेबल रे B टा अछि उल्टा टा. चलो now for reflexive, do you think every number divides itself? सबु नंबर निजुको डिवाइड करंती, डिवाइड कले 1 हबो. So for all A belongs to Z, obviously A divides A. Therefore A belongs to R. That means R is reflexive. Then come to symmetry. Now, do you think if A is divisible, A divides B, then B divides A? 2 divides 4. 2 4 को divide करे. But 4 does not divide 2. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Gote example sufficient to show a thing is not true. को जिनिस ट्रू नुह ताकू देखेवा पई आमे जदी गोटे एग्जांपल दे दबा सेटा ही सफिशिएंट. बुझि परलो? That is B belongs to R implies BA does not belong to R. Okay, चलो about transitive check करिबा. Okay, now let us check for transitive. Let ABC are 3 integers. Okay, let ABC belongs to Z and AB belongs to R, A is related to B and BC belongs to R. Means A divides B and B divides C. Understood? Acha. When A divides B, what does it mean? B equal to A into some constant. And when B divides C, आमे केमते लिखबा? C equal to something L into B. ताहले एबे ए दीटा को जोड़ी की लिखि दबा. C equal to L into B हला AK. It is LK into A. Understood? So now obviously C divides A divides C. That implies A divides C. आउ केमते बुझिबा? A divides B, B divides C. B टेबल रे A अछि, C टेबल रे B अछि. और B रे A डिवाइड कले रिमाइंडर रहिबनी, C रे B को डिवाइड कले रिमाइंडर रहिबनी. फॉर एग्जांपल जेमति की एग्जांपल एठी न बनाई because you are proving a general thing. जोटा not prove माने false prove करिबा सेठी एग्जांपल दिया जाए. हैला हमें चेक करिया पाए. 2 divides 4, 4 divides 8. Obviously 2 divides 8. हैला 2 divides 4 लेखिबा केमती? 4 equal to 2 into something. सेठी पाए मु एठी देख. A divides B. I write B equal to A into something. Then B divides C. C equal to B into something. So C equal to B रो वैल्यू बसे देली. It is something into A. माने C टा A टेबल रे रहला. So that implies A divides C that is AC belongs to R, therefore R is transitive. So R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore R is an equivalence relation. Okay, chalo. Next, check reflexive, symmetry and transitive. Y equal to 2x. Now, relation on R. The set is R. Okay, let us define. Let the relation wiggle nejba defined as x is related to y when y is equal to 2x. Obviously, reflexive. For reflexive, x cannot be equal to 2x. That happens for 0 only. But এটা 0 ପାଇଁ ଠିକ ସବୁବେଳେ ଠିକ ନୁହଁ. For all x ଆଉ ଲେଖନ୍ତେନି. X is not equal to 2x for x belongs to R. Therefore, x is not related to x. Not related to x. Therefore, the relation is not reflexive. For symmetry, let x is related to y. So that means y equal to 2x. Can you tell that does not imply x is equal to 2y? एमती हुएनी. Therefore, therefore y is not related to x. Therefore, the relation is not symmetric. Next, we shall consider about transitive. Transitive कथा बुझिबा. Transitive हबो कि नहीं? Obviously not transitive, but आमे ताकू देखेबा. We will have to discuss. We will have to show whether it is transitive or not. Okay? चलो. For transitive, let x is related to y and y is related to z. That means y equal to 2x and z equal to 2y. So obviously z equal to 2 into 2x, that is 4x. It is not equal to 2x. 2x heithile related heithante. Therefore, x j is not related to z. That implies the relation is not transitive. Okay, understood? Now let us come to example 6. Prove that the relation wiggle on Z given by A is congruent to B mod 3 is an equivalence relation. So what is our set? Given set is Z, the set of integers, and the relation wiggle is defined as, how it is defined? A is related to B means A congruent to B mod 3. Acha, what does it mean? Ta mane A minus B is divisible by 3. A minus B is divisible by 3. Let us check it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. कौन check करिबा? For reflexive, we know for all A belongs to Z, A minus A is 0, which is divisible by 3. which is divisible by 3. Therefore, A is related to A, means the relation wiggle is reflexive. Let us come to symmetry. Let for two integers A and B, A is related to B. What does it mean? A congruent to B mod 3. ता माने कौन बुझिबा? A minus B is divisible by 3. So if A minus B is divisible by 3, obviously B minus A is also divisible by 3. Therefore, B is related to A. That means the relation is symmetric. Let us check for transitive. Transitive check kariba. Chalo, for transitive we need 3 numbers which are related. First, second related, second, third related. Let ABC belongs to Z. Ebe ABC Z re niyo. Let ABC belongs to Z such that A is related to B and B is related to C. What does it mean? Tamane kon A congruent to B mod 3 and B congruent to C mod 3. Tamane A minus B is divisible by 3 and B minus C is divisible by 3. तमने जानो, if A is divisible by 3, B is divisible by 3, then their sum is also divisible by 3. When a number, two numbers are divisible by same number, their sum is divisible by that number. तांका difference भी ता सहित divisible हुए. So that implies A minus B plus B minus C is also divisible by 3. So what does it mean? ता माने कौन बुझले? A minus C is divisible by 3. ता माने A is congruent to C mod 3. What does it mean? A is related to C. ताले कौन ही गला? The relation is transitive. Relation become transitive. Transitive है गला. Therefore, the relation is an equivalence relation. Okay. ता सहित आउ गोटे क्वेश्चन देछि. Find the elements of Z which are related to 1. 1 संगरे किए related अछंती. माने we shall find X. Find X where 1 is related to X or X is related to 1. Okay. We will find all the numbers, all the integers which are related to 1. माने हमें X बाहर करिबा जोटी X is related to 1. What does it mean? X is congruent to 1 mod X. ता माने we will find X where X minus 1 is divisible by M. मतलब K into M. ताहले what is X? It is Km plus 1. ताहले X रो value कौन हबो? K is an integer. Plus into M plus 1. बुझी परलो? ता माने एठी M किए. What is M? M is 3. M is 3. So it is 3K plus 1. 3K plus 1. So what are the integers related to 1? Those which are in the form of 3K plus 1. Therefore, the integers related to 1 आर किए फास्ट आसीबो किए के 0 बसेबा के 0 बसेले इट इज 1 1 बसेले 4 2 बसेले अच्छा -1 बसेले -2 है और 2 बसेले 4 -2 बसेले केते -2 -6 + 1 -5 like this ताको आउ केमते लिख परिबा how I can write it again in a different way that is the required integers are x such that x equal to 3k plus 1 where k belongs to z एमती भी लिखि परिबा these are the integers related to 1 ओके बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम करिवो भलो कि बुझिबो नेक्स्ट क्लास पढ़िबा इक्विवेलेंस क्लास बाबदरे पढ़िबा जदि भिडियोटी तम मानकु भल लागिला लाइक करिवो सब्सक्राइब करिवो ए चैनल को आउ सांग मानक सहित